So our apartment is right over here in the middle of the town. So we're spending the afternoon at the beach, and then in the evening we're gonna do the Ladder of Kotor Hike.
This is my favorite part of swimming when I get here. Let's relax.
Look at the mountains.
So, we're drinking iced coffee with a lot of sugar and a lot of caffeine because we're going to do a hike in the 30-degree weather, so we need all the energy that we can get.
The hike is up there. We just started the hike down over there.
Already sweating.
Already sweating. You tired? Oh, this is damp all over again. Should have brought my water. That's close. I made it to the top.
As you can tell.
This hike is amazing. Definitely recommend. Look at her legs.
They're literally shaking.
They're shaking so much she's not even doing it.
I swear to God, it was like shaking.
So today we're going on a boat tour in the morning.
We're going to the little town called Perast, where a lot of celebrities have houses. And then we're going to an island that has a church on it.
Gotta climb up that. So cool. So scary. Have to go down.
So there are 14 palaces on this island, and each palace had its own church. For example, like this one, which is really cool.
We are on top of that.
This island is here because the people of the city of Perast were really rich people. They're novelty, and they had this really expensive. They had a really expensive painting which they didn't know where to put, and they already had 22 churches over there, so they decided to build another church and build an island. So yeah,
it took 200 years to build this island. It was all man-made by people bringing rocks on one day of the year, every year. That's our boat.
we are off to get dinner in Old Town Kotor. So we just had some fish, mussels, and wine, and it was literally the best meal I've had in a while. Just amazing. Cheers to that.